Welcome to this presentation video on SWISSUbase. In this video, we will provide an overview of the three-level architecture of SWISSUbase. Let's begin with a presentation of the three levels. The first level is the project. This is where all the project's information is centralized. The second level is the dataset, providing a general overview of the content. Finally, the third level contains the files linked to the dataset, which are essential for understanding and using the data. We can now examine how the structure illustrated on the left is reflected in a SWISSUbase project displayed on the right. Let's zoom in on the left-hand menu. Each level is represented in the left-hand menu of the SWISSUbase project. This menu allows you to navigate between the different levels. The menu includes the project, the datasets, and the files. Let's take a closer look at the first level, the project. The project is the top level in SWISSUbase. This is where all the project's information is centralized. You will find the authors, affiliated institutions, a description of the project's content, the research location, project funding details, the bibliography, the research methods, and more. Projects serve as the umbrella under which one or more datasets are grouped. The terms datasets refers to the whole package and form the second level. For example, you might have different type of data. Quantitative, such as those derived from questionnaire responses, or qualitative, like data collected from interviews. You can also have different time methods, for example, cross-section and longitudinal. Regardless of the dataset's type, each dataset is linked to the project and has its own unique name and associated metadata, including the DOI, data description, collection method, usage license, and version history. The third level is the file level, which is linked to a dataset created at the second level. This is where the content of the dataset is added. Each dataset contains two types of files: data files and documentation files related to the data. For quantitative data, supported file formats include SAV, XLS, XLSX, CSV, RData, and more. For qualitative data, typical file formats include doc, docx, odds, RTF, RAW, and more. Documentation related to the data may come in formats such as PDF, RTF, doc, docx, and more. That's it. You now have a better understanding of the structure of SWISSUbase. If you have any further questions about the structure or the supported file formats, detailed documentation is available by scanning the QR code.